Let's dive into division. Hey math adventurers, ready to conquer division? Tap that subscribe button for more awesome math journeys with Let's Stud. Let's start our division adventure. We look at the first digit of 162, which is 1. We'll use this lonely one for now. How many times does 2 fit into 1? It doesn't, so we write a 0. 0 times 2 is 0, we're just checking our work. 1 minus 0 is 1, we've got a remainder to carry over. You're doing awesome, keep that amazing energy going. Now let's bring down the next digit 6 to join our remainder 1. Now we have 16, look at this bigger number. We bring down the 6 to make 16, what a team. How many times does 2 go into 16? Think of your 2 times tables, it's 8. Let's check 8 times 2 equals 16, perfect. 16 minus 16 equals 0, no remainder this time. Woohoo, you figured out the second step like a pro. Time to bring down the last digit 2 to see what happens next. Last step, we now have 2. We bring down the 2, making our number 2, almost there. How many times does 2 fit into 2? It's just 1. Let's double check. 1 times 2 is 2, exactly. 2 minus 2 is 0, we have no remainder left. You did it, you solved the final step with a smile. We've divided 162 by 2, what a fantastic journey. We found that 162 divided by 2 is 81. Great job, everyone! We successfully divided 162 by 2 using the steps of long division. Remember, practice makes perfect, and every division problem is a chance to become a math whiz. That's all for today. Keep practicing, stay curious, and check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud. See you next time.